Hi everybody. Today I have the February Try Beauty Box for 2021. Try Beauty Box is $34.95 a month plus shipping. It comes to just under $40, like $38 something a month. And I believe this month that they have some variations. Let's see. Yeah, because I know that I was able to choose one of the items. And I think there was another one that they would choose for you. All right, so this month's theme is February, in love with me. All right. So the item that I chose, it was a choice between this beauty blender or the Sol de Janeiro Boom Boom Cream, which I've had before a couple of times. But I feel like I can never have too many sponges. So I got this nice pink sponge from Beauty Blender. Okay, and also I have a brush. Let's see what it says on the card. It says Luxy Beauty S518 large powder brush. This is not a large powder brush. This one is angled contour brush. So I guess some people get the powder brush and some get the contour brush. Okay, this is a brush that I don't have. I have some that are supposed to be contour brushes, but the bristles are not this stiff or this narrow this way. So this is perfect for contouring, I think. Okay, so a brush style that I don't have. That's good. And then these two things are from Inmo Cosmetics. These are eyelighters. Quick Glam. Use these stunning shades of easily applied liquid eyeshadows to create long-wearing versatile looks. We got two different shades. They're kind of similar, but one has a little more pink and one is a little more bronze. Let's see the shade names. This pink one is called Femme Fatale. And the bronzy one is called Dreamer. So let's see what they look like. This is Dreamer. Oh, pretty. And Femme Fatale is this one. A little more copper, with a tint of pink to it. Okay. And then this You and Oil. It's not on the card. So I guess instead of the Folly Fire Bronzing Blush and Baked Bronzer Blush, instead of this, I got this. So this is called You and Oil AC plus Fig plus MA Acai Fig Marula Antioxidant Complex. It says 100% bioactive. So this must be a serum, I'm guessing. Nourish and revive. Your skin craves vitality. This ultra strength antioxidant serum addresses all aspects of skin aging, wrinkles and firmness, tone, texture, and hydration. Acai berry and fig oils have powerful antioxidant and anti-aging properties. Marula oil provides immediate and long-lasting hydration. Okay, so another oil serum, which I don't mind because I do like oil serums. There is. It's sealed, so I won't open it because right now I'm using the Dirty Lamb serum. I have a day one and I have 2 night ones. I got all of them from subscription boxes. So I'll leave this one sealed until I'm done with one of those. Okay, and the final thing in the box. Oh, I realize that the card does have both variations. It's just one is on one side and one is on the other. So, let's see. This one is the side that I have. The Beauty Blender, the palette, eyeliners, You and Oil, and the angled contour brush. Okay. So this is the palette. It's called Shades of Roses, and it's by Bella. It's pretty. It's like a Valentine's Day theme. Oops. Oh, it's beautiful. It has the little roses around the mirror too. And these are the shades. Very pretty. You can easily do a Valentine's Day look with this. These colors are really beautiful. I don't want to swatch because I have so many palettes that are similar colors, but some of them I'm really curious about, so I'll go ahead. This one right here, I can't tell if it's green or brown. It looks kind of green in the pan, but let's see what it looks like. Oh, it's brown. It's a matte brown. It's a matte brown. Okay. And then this one looks purple, like a dark purple. Put that right here. Oh, that's pretty. Okay. Nice. Now I'll swatch this one right here too. It's like a red. Lovely. And let's see. How about these 3 right here? Right there. Nice. Let me do a couple of shimmers. Let my hand off. And I think these 3 shimmers right here. This one feels kind of rough. It might be more of like a pressed glitter or something. Let's see, put it right here. Oh, beautiful. I like those. Just these 3. Very nice. Okay, and then a couple of, I'll do these 3 right here. This one, oh yeah, this one's definitely pressed glitter. It's coming apart a little bit. Let's do the pressed glitters right here. Yeah, that's definitely a pressed glitter. It's so pretty. Very shiny and glittery. And that's a shimmer. It's kind of a glitter too. This one is a shimmer. The tinge of pink. This is nice. I like this palette. Okay. Alright, I take this off my fingers. Okay, here's the palette. Shades of Roses. This is so pretty. I really like this. So let's recap what we got in the February box. We got the Bella Shades of Roses eyeshadow palette, which retails for $12. We got the Luxie Beauty Angled Contour Face Brush, which retails for $18. It's kind of steep. We got the two Inmo Cosmetics Eyelighters. They retail for $19 each. Okay. We got the Electric Violet Beauty Blender, which retails for $20. And the You and Oil Fig Acai Marula Antioxidant Serum, which retails for $42. Okay, so that's everything that I got in the February 2021 Tribe Beauty Box. Thank you for watching. Bye.